We have 7 of them that we have to solve under indices and related to the laws. Now, let's solve number 1 solution now. Number 1 says h raised to the power 0. We know from the law that h raised to the power 0 is what? 1. Because anything raised to the power 0 in the indices is 1. Now, number 2, we have 27 raised to the power what? 2 over 3. You can solve this in 2 ways, but the fastest way, let me show you. 27 is written as what? 3 raised to the power 3. Because you know that 3 raised to the power 3 gives you what? 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 gives you what? 27. Now, you now replace 27 with what? 3 raised to the power 3. You now have 3 raised to the power 3. This is your 27 now. This still remains, that is 2 over 3. This now becomes 3 raised to the power what? 3 multiplied by what? 2 over 3. 3 cancel 3 here. We now left with 3 raised to the power what? 2, which is 3 times 3, which is equals to what? 9. Now the third one here, the third one says 4 raised to the power what? Minus 3 over 2. Now you know that 4 is written as 2 raised to the power 2. Now you replace 4 with 2 raised to the power 2, you now have what? 2 raised to the power 2 multiplied by what? You have minus 3 over 2. Now if you multiply that out, you have this, we cancel this. You now have 2 raised to the power what? Minus 3. 2 raised to the power minus 3 is 1 over 2 raised to the power 3 from our law again. You know that this now becomes what? 1 over 2 times 2 times 2. This now becomes 1 over 2 times 2 for 4 times 2, 8. Now let's go to the fourth one. The fourth question says 0.001 raised to the power 3. Now 0.001 is written as what? Convert it to fraction. It's written as 1 over 1,000. 1 over 1,000 is written as 0.001 raised to the power 3. Now continue. This becomes 1 over 1,000 is written as what? 10 raised to the power 3 gives us 1,000. 3. And if you have anything like this in indices, you can convert it. It gives you 10 raised to the power what? Minus 3. Remember from our law, this becomes this raised to the power 3. From the law again, this now becomes 10 raised to the power minus 3 times 3 gives me what? Minus 9. No, that's my answer. 10 raised to the power minus 9. Let's go to the fifth question. Now we have to solve for the value of x. Solve for x now. Solve for the value of x. Look at the first question here. That's number 5. Number 5 here. Says 1 over 2 raised to the power x equals to what? 8. Now how do we solve this? 1 over 2 is written as, look, 1 over 2 raised to the power 1, right? Raised to the power x equals to what? 8. 8 is written as what? 2 raised to the power 3. Now 1 over 2 raised to the power 1, that means 2 raised to the power minus 1. X equals to what? 2 raised to the power 3. This gives me what? 2 raised to the power minus 1 times x gives me what? Minus x equals to 2 raised to the power 3. Now since the base are equal and you have equal to here, 2 cancel 2 here. That means minus x equals to 3. Divide both sides by minus, x equals to what? Minus 3. Now question number 6 now. We have 0.25 raised to the power x plus 1 equals to 16. Now how do we solve this? 0.25 you convert it to fraction. Anytime you have something like decimal, you convert it to fraction. This is written as what? 25 over 100 when you convert it to fraction. Raised to the power what? X plus 1 equals to what? 16. Now 25 over 100 gives me what? 1 over 4, right? 25 over 1, 25 over 100, 4. X plus 1 equals to what? 16. 1 over 4, this 4 gives me what? 2 raised to the power 2. That is x plus 1 equals to 16. Since the 16 is written as what? 2 raised to the power 4 will give us 16, remember? Yes. 1 over 2 raised to the power 2 now gives me what? 2 raised to the power minus 2. Raised to the power what? X plus 1 equals 2 raised to the power 4. Now, if I should multiply the power now, I now have 2 raised to the power minus 2, open bracket, x plus 1, which gives me 2 raised to the power 4. Now, cancel the base. Since the base are equal, 2 cancel 2 now. And now I have, let me expand this, minus 2. Minus 2 times 7 gives me what? Minus 2x. Minus 2 times plus 1 gives me what? Minus 2 equals to what? 4. Now, minus 2x equals 4. When this minus 2 comes, it becomes plus 2. Minus 2x equals to what? 6. Minus 2x equals 6. Divide both sides by minus 2. Divide both sides by minus, I have minus 2x over minus 2. 6 over what? Minus 2. That is my x equals to what? Minus 3. Now, the last question here, number 6, the question, number 7 rather, the question says 2 raised power x equals 0.125. Remember I told you earlier that anytime you have decimal, you convert it to fraction in indices. That is now 2 raised power x will now give me 0.125, 123, gives me 125, 123 over what? 1,000. Now 2 raised power x equals to 125 over 1,000. 125 here, 125 in 1,000 is what? 8. That is 1 over 8. 2 raised power x equals to 1 over 8 is written as what? 2 raised power 3. Now 2 raised power x is written as what? This gives me what? 2 raised power what? Minus 3 from our law. Anytime you have 1 over 2 raised power 3, it gives you what? 2 raised power minus 3. Now the base are equal. Cancel out the base. X now equals to what? Minus 3. Thanks for watching.